Hey everybody, Shannon down at St. Albert Dodge, and I'm standing next to this big, beautiful, black 2022 Ram Laramie. We decided to put a little bit of flair to it. As you can tell, fender flares, rims, the lift, power running boards from the factory, and the really nice low-profile black mud flaps. This is one that is highly sought after, not only for the customization, but the fact it has the panoramic sunroof. It has a full load when it comes to the Ram 1500. For those of you that haven't realized, there's a huge supply chain issue. There's not a lot of vehicles out there with all the options. Well, this is one of them. So let's do a little bit more of a walk around. Coming to the back of the vehicle here, you will notice that it has the black low-profile mud flaps that I was talking about. I think they look really sharp. Dual exhaust, the dampened tailgate. So if it was unlocked, sorry, I don't have it unlocked. The tailgate, actually, you can let it go and it drops nicely due to the preloaded spring or hydraulics on the inside, either or, just making the tailgate dampen and drop nicer. So let's talk a little bit more on the inside. Hey everybody, it's Shannon sitting on the inside of this beautiful Ram 1500 Laramie. It's a 2022, and as I mentioned, it has the full load. We have our screenshot right now, or the curtain rather, and but underneath you got the panoramic sunroof, so that's pretty awesome. Telescopic and tilting steering wheel with our big, beautiful 12-inch touchscreen. It is a gorgeous truck, one that has a lot to offer, as well as the memory seats, wireless charging. I can rattle off a lot of different options because this has a lot, including the 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. So come on down to St. Albert Dodge. I am pretty enthusiastic about the console space in this. You'll have to come see it for yourself. It's huge. You have 2 different bins, as well as the availability to hang files if you do business on the road. And there's a lot more to love. So come down, check out this big, beautiful Ram Laramie, and maybe ask us what the e-torque is. It's a new special power supplier under the hood that generates a little bit extra horsepower for you. And I'd love to expand on that. So reach out to me, 780-266-1679, Shannon at St. Albert Dodge.